Hello, back to the second part of the series, analyzing the potential dangers lurking just beneath the surface that could potentially put your finances at risk. Has there ever been that feeling, that knot in your belly telling you if you are ready for the next thing out there? You're not alone. Most individuals fail to recognize key aspects that can be slowly eroding the stability of an individual's financial situation. In this 15-minute video, we will show you what might be waiting in the financial woods for you and attack you when you least expect it. As you watch this video, you will be in a position to note the risks and work towards avoiding them so that you can take charge of your monetary status. Headed for decision disaster? Interactive. This lesson is designed to help you learn if you are headed for decision disaster and if seemingly small decisions can have big effects. Welcome to Threat Stop. Let's expose these threats together and work towards having a safer, better tomorrow. Currently, developing online courses is an excellent idea of sharing knowledge and experiences with others and at the same time as making money. For instance, think of a person who has really perfected, let's say, graphic literature design or even digital marketing. They could also learn to have an appealing online course which would not only help others be better acquainted with the process, but also provide them with information that they can provide to other people. It is rather simple to start something with the help of such platforms as Udemy or Teachable, and anyone can reach people from all over the world. Besides, helpful work can make people develop through their knowledge, and this is always a great satisfaction. Imagine only how much brighter your future will be when you love teaching and at the same time incorporate high performance. Writing a code can be an annoying experience to go through. It is, however, one of the best things anyone can endeavor to learn in the current world. Imagine a person leaping into Python or JavaScript and getting familiar with programming as an art and skill of constructing problem-solving programs. Since there are countless resources on the internet, including Codecademy or Free Code Camp, anyone can launch this process of personal development. Just picture how great it would be to build an application which makes some of the tasks easier and more efficient, or start a company based on unique software products. The pressure might make it very hard to start, but once one has persevered and practiced, it is a very rewarding process on the personal as well as financial level. And who knows? This could pave way to a better life. Real estate investment is one of the most powerful wealth builders for anyone within the right property market. Just imagine a person who begins with a small house and begins investment gradually by buying a rented house. Given proper control and concentrated goal on achieving equity, they can develop reliable flow of income generating without active involvement. The attractiveness of the real estate is that as the property and property value rises, so does their investment. Also, they can earn more through the short-term letting by using services such as Airbnb with examples. It is really just about bettering the knowledge of personal finances and business trends all around the world. The pressure of having to operate in this field can, however, be immense, but with pain, perseverance, and good planning, the rewards that come with it lead to a better life and a more secure financial future. With a foundation established in the world of real estate investments, let's proceed to invest in the stock market. Getting your feet wet in the stock market may seem daunting, but it happens to be one of the best means of building wealth in the long run. Consider the situation where an individual starts with, let's say, $1,000 and invests on well-analyzed shares, such as Apple or Amazon. They need to understand what strategies such as dollar-cost averaging or value investing mean, so they can accumulate a portfolio of investments that is immune to market swings. The important thing here is to know the great opportunity and be patient. After all, the equity market is here to educate those who are willing to become better investors with better knowledge and retarded risk-taking. Today, they have apps similar to Robinhood or E-Trade, which allow starting investments with almost no hindrances. This pressure of making the right choices is very overwhelming, but with hard work and proper strategy, the growth is immense for the better financially, thus the future is bright. Feeling inspired? Okay, let's go to the next point, the application of interest compounding. What an idea, right? Using compounding is an effective action plan that would work wonders for anyone who is very keen on growing his or her worth. Imagine a working person who annually contributes a fixed amount of money and puts it into an individual retirement plan. As the years progress, they start to get the exponential rate of return and get interest on the interest as well as the contributions they make. that could only mean one thing. It is like planting a tree that continues to bear fruits year in, year out. The key is to begin as early as possible, because when those little accumulations increase, it brings forth a lot of income over the long run. A high interest-bearing savings account or an index fund can apply to these possibilities. Though the pressure to save may be overwhelming constantly, the strength that comes with constant disciplining of investment will make life much better further down the line. Contributing as much as one can to the retirement accounts is always an important factor towards attaining a great financial life. Suppose we have a person who opts to maximize their employer's matching for the 401k plan. Since they are able to give enough to qualify for the full match, they are literally getting free money that helps them ramp up their wealth creation process. It's just about being preventative and realizing that there are people and entities out there who benefit from these tax-favored accounts. However, they might also want to consider other avenues, such as an IRA, that will help them advance the goal they set for their retirement savings. It is quite stressing to start saving for retirement, as many expenses frequently occur, but to change one life for the better, it does not occur. Finally, who wouldn't want to be financially empowered at this early age and enjoy the sweet fruits of their labor later in life? Well then, it is about time for me to finish this discussion on financial empowering. Concluding the analysis of the covert dangers for your wealth, it's high time to put our lessons into practice. Reflect on what you've learned and ask yourself, are you carried forward by these strategies prepared to apply in your daily life? But as you see, this is only the second part of our research topic. There's so much more to discover. Every measure toward gentle financial awakening can result in a drastic change in one's life. Make sure to hit that bell icon and turn on those notifications so you won't miss the following episode. All together, we can overcome all these issues and symbolically construct a new and safer world. What actions will be taken today to avoid putting oneself in that position? That being said, let's continue this conversation, shall we?